ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। इंडियन रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ 1857 इसे स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की लड़ाई, पहली लड़ाई भी कहा जा सकता है। द इंडियन रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ 1857 was a major but ultimately unsuccessful uprising in India in 1857-50 against the rule of the British East India Company, which functioned as a sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. The rebellion began on 18th May 1857 in the form of mutiny of spoils of the company's army in the garrison town of Meerut, round about 40 kilometers northeast of Delhi. The main hero was that time Mangal Pandey, then erupted into other mutinies of civilian rebellions, chiefly in the upper Gangetic Plain and central India. Though incidents of the revolt also occurred farther north and east. The rebellion posed a considerable threat to British power in that region and was contained only with the rebels' defeat in Gwalior on 20th June 1858. On 1st November 1858, the British granted amnesty of all rebels not involved in murder, though they did not declare the hostilities to have formally ended until 8 July 1859. Its name is contested and it is variously described as the Sepoy Mutiny in Indian Mutiny, the Great Rebellion, the Great Revolt of 1857, the Indian Insurrection, and the First War of Independence fought by Jhansi Ki Rani, Kumar Singh, Mangal Pandey, were remembered as the first freedom fighter. The Indian Rebellion was led by resentment born of diverse perceptions, including invasion, British hostile social reforms, harsh land taxes, summary treatment of some rich landowners and princes, as well as skepticism about the improvement brought about by British rule. Many Indians rose against the British, however, many also fought for British, and the majority remained seemingly compliant to British rule. Violence, which sometimes betrayed exceptional cruelty, was inflicted on both sides on British officers and civilians, including women and children, by the rebels and on the rebels and their supporters, including sometimes entire village by British reprisals. The cities of Delhi and Lucknow were the worst in the fighting and the British rebellion. After the outbreak of the mutiny in Meerut, the rebels quickly reached Delhi, whose 81-year-old Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah Jafar was declared Emperor of India. Soon the rebels had captured large tracts of the northwestern province and Awadh. The East India Company's response came rapidly as well. With the help from reinforcement, Kanpur was taken up by mid-July 1857 and Delhi by the end of September. However, it then took the remainder of 1857 and the better part of 1858 for the rebellion to be suppressed in Jhansi, Lucknow, and especially in our countryside. Other regions of company controlled India, Bengal province, the Bombay, Madras, and Calcutta presidency. In the Punjab, the six princes quickly helped the British by providing both soldiers and support. The large princely estates, Hyderabad, Mysore, Tirupur, and Kashmir, as well as the smaller ones of Rajputan, did not join the rebellion, serving the British and the Governor General Lord Canning's words as breakwaters in the storm. In some regions, most notably in Awadh, the rebellion took on the attributes of the patriotic revolt against British oppression. However, even so, the rebellion proved to be an important watershed in Indian and British Empire history. It led to the dissolution of the East India Company and forced the British to recognize the army, the financial system, and the administration in India through passage of the Government of India Act 1858. The India was thereafter administered directly by the British government in the new British Raj. In November 1858, Queen Victoria issued a proclamation to Indians which, while lacking the authority of the constitutional provision, promised rights similar to those of other British subjects. In the following decades, then admission to these rights was not always forthcoming. Indians were to pointedly refer to the King's proclamation in growing revolts of a new nationalism. भारत माता की जय.